Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by placing your Kai wireless charger on a flat surface and plugging it into power. Make sure the charger supports 5W15W so it can supply steady current. This reduces slow or failed charges. Next, put your Airpods into their case, then close the lid or orient the LED as the manual suggests, because alignment matters. Once done, remove any bulky or metal cases from the case, since they can obstruct the magnetic coupling, and stop. You now align the Airpods case with the charging coil, usually centering the LED or logo over the pad works best. Place the case down gently and hold for a second to let the magnetic field stabilize, because quick jostles can interrupt handshakes between coils. Look for the case LED or the charger's indicator to confirm that power is flowing. If charging is unusually slow, try nudging the case a few millimeters or switch to a charger set to a higher compatible wattage, like 7. 5. Finish by leaving the case on the pad until the LED indicates a sufficient or full charge. Partial top-ups can take 30-60 minutes, with full charges often near 2 hours depending on battery level. If nothing happens, make sure the power adapter and cable are secure, then disconnect and reconnect them, because loose power is a common cause. If charging still fails, reset your Airpods and test a different Kai pad to determine whether the case, charger, or power source needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.